And we'll fly away, away, away. Yeah, we'll fly.
Hello, it's your boy Davidoff. You've seen the title, so you know what I'm opening. So I'll get that in a second. First of all, though, I got this cool-looking Batman Arkham Origins top. I'm not going to open it because, well, it's brand new. I want to keep it in the packet until I wear it. But that's pretty cool. It's ironic though, because it's the only Arkham game I haven't played. I played Asylum, City and Knights, but not Origins. And I've got the Origins t-shirts. I don't know, it looked good and it was cheap, so I thought, you know what? Good deal from Amazon. Anyway, here I have got the Google Pixel 3. It is currently Tuesday the 15th of January. Can you see it? Can you see this? Focus, damn it. There we go. Google Pixel 3. This is the damn box. Team Pixel. Hashtag Team Pixel. I love it. The reasoning behind this, basically, I had a OnePlus 3. This is a OnePlus 3T. I'll get to this in a second. It was like £329. It took 2 SIM cards at 4K video. It was really good for £329. It had a lot of good features. And I bought it. It was great. It lasted 2.5 years. And then I dropped it in the toilet. If I didn't drop it, I'd still use it now. I would have had it for like another couple of years probably, because it was a really good long-lasting phone. But I dropped it in the toilet. So I had to call up my insurance, because it is insured. I had to call up my insurance, and I sent them the phone. They couldn't fix it, so they sent me a new one. They sent me a OnePlus 3T, an upgraded version with more memory, double the storage. The problem is, this phone has an issue with restarting constantly. When I first got it, it was like every few minutes. Now it happens a few times a day, right? Pretty much, if I leave it and don't use it, it just either restarts or switches off. And when it restarts, it requires a PIN code for me to actually like start the phone. And if I don't type in the PIN codes, the battery drains. So when I'm asleep, basically when I'm asleep, my phone is always off when I wake up. It's either off, and when I turn it on, it's either on a low battery or it's just dead completely, because it just restarts, goes onto the lock screen, and because I'm not there to type it in, the battery just dies out, and it's just the worst thing. I saw this on January sales for £100 off. This is the Pixel 3, not the Pixel 3 XL, just not the XL, normal Pixel 3, and it's 64 gig, so it's the lowest Pixel 3 you can get. But it's still a really good phone. It's apparently got the best camera in a smartphone. I'll be the judge of that. Actually, I can't really judge that, but even if it's not true, it's at least one of the best. It's got to be up there, you know. It's even the Pixel 2. I've seen photos and stuff. Pixel 2 camera was insane, and I'm pretty sure the Pixel 3 will be even better. So yeah, I saw it £100 off, and I thought, you know what, I'll just go and buy it. And here is the funny thing. I'm usually against spending a lot of money on phones, because I just don't see the point. Like, people spend £1,000 on iPhones or Samsungs. People will spend like £800 on a phone. And I have just bought an £800 phone. To be fair, this was on sale. It wasn't £800, but a usual price would be around £800. This was a lot cheaper than that. Not insanely cheaper, but a lot cheaper than 800. So I thought, you know what, it's on sale. It's a high-end phone. It's one of the best phones out there, aside from the iPhone and the Samsung and the OnePlus 6T as well. This is one of those high-end phones. So I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna get it. I'm just gonna get it. I want to stick with Android as well. So yeah, let's just open it up. It just comes off. This is pleasing. I have 2 cameras. I could have just set the other one up and just have 2 angles, put it on the table. Anyway. Oh yeah. Well, okay, there's something here to, I assume that's part of the charger. This is, I assume, well, USB-C, that's perfect. My OnePlus as well uses USB-C is perfect. You know, it's brilliant. What on earth is this? What on earth? Headphones. Okay, USB-C headphones. And yeah, well, this is very useful. So there we go, headphone jack. Yeah, I got this. It's a USB adapter. You can plug a you can plug something through a USB. So that's pretty cool. It's got a few adapters here. I like that. This is the plug to plug in your charger, obviously. What else would you do with a plug? A pin to open your phone and put a SIM card in. I've already got two, but hey, what's one more? Anyway, now to the main event. I probably should have shown you this. Actually, no, I can't because it will just drop. So this covered the phone. It feels quite nice, to be fair. I might even keep this for no reason whatsoever. I wouldn't even use it. I'm keeping this boxing. These boxes are damn nice. Here we have the Pixel 3. There's the screen. And here is, well, the back. I got it in white because it just looked better. To be fair, it looked good in black as well. So it was one of the two. And I chose white to just be different because I always get a black phone. Like, always, every single time. So I thought I'd change it up for once, since it's a brand new phone. And it's the first time the phone I've got is actually like came out recently, like months. Like, I never get phones that early, ever. And I'm usually against buying high-end phones like straight away because they cost so much. And now I've got one. But I'm gonna keep this as a backup phone. That button there, this button here is green. I just felt it was a bit weird considering the rest of the phone is black and white. I'm using the Canon G7X. It's a great camera, but focus sometimes, you have to really like press the screen, even when it's on auto. Ooh, nice. Also, let's put it in a cover. Doesn't hide the color of the phone. Perfect cover. Let me just take this phone around and basically get some, I don't know, get some camera angles. Okay, so I think this is in 4K. At least I hope it is anyway. Yeah, this is my lighting. So this is my little setup. There's a lot of dust there. I need to like sort it out. There's some movies I got recently. The PS4 is right over here, and my external hard drive. You see a lot of dust there, and you think I don't clean. But you see, every time I clean it, after a few days, it just comes back. So it's just a ridiculous... There's a lot of dust in this room, and it's really annoying. But yeah, that's a 2 terabyte hard drive. Here we have a washing machine. Hopefully the audio on this phone is good. That would be nice. Yeah. There is Tottenham Stadium on the left. Over here is a lot... Well, it's a very dark place, so let's just respectfully turn away from that. But, yeah, the windows are dirty, by the way. Alright, so it is the next day. That was indeed in 4K. So, yeah, this phone is good. It is really good. The footage doesn't quite do it justice, because I haven't gone outside. And it's just very cold. It's January in England. I'm not too bothered about just recording just for the video. Even though I could, I'm just But still, it's a good camera, both for photos and video, and it's got a 4K camera and also 1080p front-facing camera. So yeah, the quality is good, more than good enough. And yeah, a few drawbacks though. First of all, there's no gallery. There is a gallery. It's for photos, but it's the online storage photos. There's no like gallery with the phone. You have to use it through Google Photos, which is still fine. You still access all your photos. It's backed up as well from the previous phone, so all my previous phone photos are on Google Photos, so that's a good thing. But still, you can solve that by just downloading a gallery. You can download one from the App Store, so that fixes that problem. Another thing is, it's a bit weird. It's not really a problem, but it's a bit of a weird thing. Hold on a second. Let me just open another app just to like show an example. So yeah, I'm on Google Creator Studio. There is no button on the right. Yeah, there's no button on the right. It's a bit weird because there's a button in the middle and on the left to go back. And to close apps, you have to push this up, and suddenly you get all your apps and you can just swipe them up to close them. And from the home screen, a lot of the same thing. From the home screen, it's the same thing. Yeah, that's what I just did. It's the same thing from the home screen, and yeah, you can just close apps like that, which is fine. It's gonna take some time getting used to, because I was so used to like pressing here for this to show up and then swiping up. But yeah, it's a bit weird considering there's a button here and a button here, but not here. It's a bit awkward, but I'll get used to it. But it's a good phone. I'll show you some footage right now. And yeah, it's got like a lock screen. It's got like a black screen. When you like touch your phone, it tells you just the time basically and the degrees outside, which is a pretty good feature. As you can see, I'm a Batman fan. I love my Batman. And yeah, as you can probably see on the wallpaper, I am a Marvel fan as well. I love Marvel and DC. I'm a big fan of superheroes. I'm a superhero enthusiast. So yeah, it's a good phone. It's a good phone. It's got a good camera, it's good features, and the battery life. It's got fast charging. Well, it's not as fast as OnePlus. OnePlus phones charge fully in like 48 minutes, something rapid like that. Probably faster now, to be fair, with the 6T. So it's not as fast as that, but it's still pretty good speed of charging. It's not insanely fast though, and it has a good battery life, which is important. I need a good battery life. So fast charging and a good battery life, that's a good combination. So yeah, that is my thoughts on it. Probably not gonna do another video. I could do a tech review, I guess. I mean, I uploaded a lot of things already, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not a great person for a tech review anyway. But anyway, yeah, I'm happy I got this phone. Very happy. This is your boy Davidoff. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and see ya.